How to remove Meta AI from Facebook. Open your phone and look for the Facebook app. Press and hold your finger on the Facebook app icon until you see some options pop up. Then, tap on Uninstall to remove the app from your phone. Now, open your web browser, like Chrome, Safari, or whatever you use to surf the internet. In the search bar at the top of your browser, type in Facebook older version and hit enter. This will bring up a list of websites where you can find older versions of Facebook. Pick one of the websites from the search results. Make sure it looks trustworthy and reliable. Scroll through the list of available versions of Facebook on the website. Look for one that's from around the end of March or the beginning of April. Once you've found the right version, tap on it. Then tap on the download button. Follow the prompts to download and install the older version of Facebook onto your phone. And there you have it. You've now learned how to remove Meta AI from Facebook and revert to an older version of the app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.